Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to change colours. In my design I have 4 blue boxes, but I don't want them all to be blue, that's boring. To change the colour of my boxes, I choose a box, then I choose a new colour from one of the dots on the side over here. I want a yellow box, I want a red box. But what happens if I can't see the colour I want? I want this box closest to me to be green, but there's no green dot over here. That's okay. I can click any colour 2 times to open my colour mixer. Then, using my finger or my mouse, I can move around these colours until I find exactly the colour I want. Then I click on the green tick button and I'm finished. That looks a lot better.